Hi there, it's David the Lug Nut, and one of my mottos in life is everything is related. I have no idea how to lay flooring really, and how to mark this stuff to get this all right, but I do know how to make custom gaskets for intakes, you know, stuff that's discontinued. So that's the exact same method I'm going to use for marking out this exact circle in this piece of vinyl plank. So just like a piece of gasket material, I'll lay it over top. This is my ridge, like if that was an intake port or something. I'll lay that down, line it up, hold it down, and now when I lift it, it should have a good mark, so I know exactly where to cut. And there it is. Perfect. So now I'll just take a jigsaw and I'll just zip right around there, and it'll be a perfect fit right around that base for the toilet. I'm David the Lug Nut. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe, and yeah, any comments, whatever, if there's a better way, let me know down below. Thanks. Have a great day.